Seasonic, the heart of your system.
The Edify stand at CES 2020 was all about the hands-on experience, from the soundproof listening rooms to the headphone testing pods. The company's been looking at integrating speakers into a host of new products, from alarm clocks for the adults to minions for the kids. To get an overview of their latest 4 launches, we caught up with audio specialist Jasmine.
Jasmine here with Edifier, showing you all the cool innovations that they have unleashing at CES 2020. First up, we have the Edifier G7. So these are their gaming headsets that actually have high-res certification, so the audio quality that you're going to get is unmatched. It also has gel technology in the earmuffs, so the heat is actually regulated between the earmuffs and your head. So it allows,
you don't get sweaty ears?
You won't get sweaty ears with these headsets. And it also features dual mic ENC environmental noise cancellation, so whoever you're playing with will only listen to your voice and nothing else around you. It also features a customizable audio profile in case you're playing first-person shooter, any battle royale games, or just listening to music. We're looking at $119 USD. And we also have the GM6. The GM6 is specifically designed for mobile gaming, and it actually allows you to play any music for 8 hours and an additional 24 hours with the portable charging case. Or if you're actively just playing a game, you can play straight for 7 hours with an additional 14 hours. It also has Qualcomm X technology that gives you a more secure connection with your smartphone device and reduces the lagging when you're playing a video or playing your game. The ballpark price is $79 USD. We also have the TWS NB, which is their first truly wireless headset that features active noise cancelling technology. So with these headsets, Edifier actually created the active noise cancelling technology, which allows it to be in such a small package. And with the active noise cancellating feature on, you get a 5-hour playback time with an additional 10 hours with the charging case, and with the active noise cancelling feature off, you get 11-hour playback time with an additional 22 hours with the charging case. Now, we also have the TWS 6. Whoop. So these were actually designed for smaller ear canals, and Edifier listened to a lot of feedback of people complaining that some of the truly wireless headsets are a little bit too bulky, so they wanted to fix that problem, and they succeeded. These have a scratch-resistant coating, so you could throw it in your bag, in your pocket, and you won't have to worry about it getting damaged with your keys. And since they're water-resistant, you could take them in long commutes, and if you get stuck in the rain, you don't have to worry about ruining your new headsets. Now, these also have an 8-hour playback time with an additional 22 hours with a charging case, and both retail for approximately $119 USD. And the Edifier TWS NB is going to be available in late January, early February, and the TWS 6 is available to purchase now. Yeah, they really do want to expand on the mobile innovations that they're seeing right now, especially with truly wireless.
Come back to Kick Guru soon to learn more about Edifier's plans for the future.